1,000 light years away from Earth, on a planet known as the Far, Far Range. Beatrix, not even gonna try, begins her first day as a slime rancher. Let's get moving. Okay. Well, let's do this tutorial for the, 1,000th time. I'm realizing that you guys can barely hear the TV. So why don't I turn it up for you? Alright. Welcome back. Hopefully this is a little better. So, Slime Rancher, if you don't know, which, how can you not know a game that's this cute? You have slimes, you have food, you feed the slimes the food. And they poop. They poop plorts. And you put the plorts in the plort market, and you get money. Yes, you heard me correctly. They poop, you gather they poop. They poop. I can't speak. They poop, you gather the poop, you feed them. Everything works out well in the end. I'm gonna call you Steve. So Steve, get in the cage. Oh, look at this. We found a hen. He will face a horrible death. I thought you were gonna eat. You seemed so eager before. So here we go out into the wonderful world. We want to gather food and everything else. For my mic to pick it up, the TV has to be pretty loud. So that's why I forget to talk. Because the TV's so loud that I forget I'm allowed to talk when it's on. Because in the recording, I will be louder. So, this is pogo fruit. It's the natural fruit of Slime Town. That's not what it's called. Oh my gosh, I got Star Melt from Casey. Or maybe it's Cassie. It might be Cassie. I'm gonna call her Casey though, I don't care. We're not gonna read the Star Melt because who wants plot when you can listen to me ramble about anything and everything while I overfill this wonderful corral full of many slimes. Oh, we want to suck up all the poops possible. Oh gosh. And now we have to spit out the food again. Look at that. 400 buckaroos. That's not what they're called. I actually forget what they're called. Oh, dang, I can't remember. Look, now we have higher walls for the corral. So we can jam-pack it full of slimes. It's really bothering me that I can't remember what the money is called. Oh gosh, what is it called? Oh wait. Hang on. I'm trying to read super fast. I'm really sad. New bucks! Oh my god, they're called new bucks. That took me way too long. Well, let's go explore. We should grab some more food, and we can start a magical thing called a farm. So we got some carrots to plant, and then over here, one of the upgrades you get is a jetpack, so you can fly, and I totally forget, like, whenever I start up a new game, I always forget I can't fly, so, I mean, one time I, fell off a cliff and lost all my stuff, so, let's hope I can remember it before that happens. Look at that guy over there. That's a Gordo slime. You have to feed him a lot of food, but then that one drops a key. Not all of them do, but that one does. And I typically use that key to get into, like, the rocky vegetation. I realize I'm horribly describing the area I'm trying to. Oh, chickens! I call them chickens. I don't know why. Chickens! Chickens! So, I need 1 carrot and 1 pogo fruit. So, here we want a garden. Okay, I lied. We want money. Oh. I really hope the sound's picking up, because it's the cutest thing when they bump into each other. I'd recreate the sound for you, but that would be... I feel like it would sound like death. Not death, just me dying. You know? The usual. Oh, a carrot. Garden. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna cry. I think that was enough. I saw it 2 seconds ago, but I just forgot, and totally